Hey, it's Tasha with WTI.
I really love using this Mega Mushroom Relief from Origins. It really is relaxing and refreshing. I love that it's a watery lotion. I can just pour a little dab or shake into my hands. I can pat it on my skin and it leaves more like a serum, lightweight moisture feel to my skin. I have a lot of redness and sensitive skin, so I'm always looking to relieve some type of inflammation and calm my skin. It is very easy and very comfortable without hassle to apply to your skin. I love that the smell is very mild and it doesn't have a strong, intense smell that would irritate me. I also just love how it feels to put on my face. It's something I definitely love using in my skincare routine.
And that's my point of view.